Yeah, it's beautiful out. Gorgeous. Weird wearing this, zipping up everything, wearing my inner shell that protects from water. It's really heavy. It's like a tarp kind of material almost. My last Joe Rocket jacket that got messed up from when that lady pulled out in front of me had a lesser lining, but it wasn't mesh like this. This mesh totally breathes completely through. It's pretty awesome. Sometimes bugs will hit me and it kind of stings. But so yeah, heavier. It's bulky. Weird. But it's pretty warm. It's warm enough for 45-degree weather, which is kind of significant, I'd say. So gorgeous out. Oh my goodness. It is so awesome. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's only like 70 something, 70, I'd say 72 if I could guess. My Ninja says it's 139 Fahrenheit. Inside him. I don't know either. Anyway. Oh man, it's so great. As they say in golf, let the big dog eat. But get your tires warmed up first. Let the big dog eat. I miss golf. I used to golf a lot. Well, I've actually never golfed a lot. It's so freaking expensive. But yeah. Well, it's beautiful out. The time that I do spend outside is under a helmet on my bike. I'm never getting a tan, and never using the time to golf instead. I love this corner, but only when my tires are warm. Look at this person so far out. I love leaning down like that in front of people. Looks so freaking cool. I think it looks cool anyway. Yep. It is neato. I love going into corners, leaning hard. Look at that car. That is something else, huh? She supports her dad. That's what that yellow ribbon says. I support my dad. Weird. What does that mean? Apparently her dad's in the military, I guess, or... First thing that occurred to me is that she supports him financially. Yeah, not that clever sometimes. Sometimes I'd like to think I'm clever, and most of the time I'm not. I like that car. A cheaper BMW. It's cool, but I always like the BMWs. Wouldn't mind having a 5 Series. I'm content with my motorcycle and my Mini Cooper. She didn't want me to get in front of her, and it was crazy. She put up to like 60, I swear. I probably imagined it. I always forget frickin' zippers. I lost 2 garage door openers. Okay, I moved in with my wife when we got, shortly before we got married, I moved in with my wife, and I use the external outside garage. She uses the attached one. I've lost both garage door openers to the outside garage. And she had them for like a decade. She had these garage door openers for a decade. Never lost them ever. And they looked that old too. But she had them for like at least 9 years or some nonsense. I got them, and within 2 years I lost both of them. Because why? Because I didn't zip my side pockets up, and that's where I keep them. So yeah. Cars accelerate so slowly. My Facebook that one of my status updates was saying, I said riding bikes totally ruined driving cars for me. I used to drive the crap out of my Mini Cooper. It's supercharged. I put a smaller supercharger pole on it and put a really awesome good cold air intake in it and modified it so it'd use the cowls up on the top of the hood and put stiffer suspension on it, even more than what it comes with. What else did I do it? Put a new grill on it that breathes easier, looks better, blah blah blah. I used to love driving that car. I used to love it. Now I'm disappointed when I have to drive it. That's funny. I think that's a policeman. I didn't do that. Don't pull me over. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not going this far down, man. I must want to get back late from lunch. Nice to go out this far. It's such a good day. It's just a beautiful day. So beautiful. I'd do a great corner if that manhole cover wasn't there. That manhole cover freaks me out though. I guess manholes in general would freak me out. Just saying. You know.